Hi, this is Sasha from the autismhelper.com, and this is a product preview of my Weather Mega Pack. And when I say Mega Pack, this pack is massive. It's almost 100 pages of different weather resources, everything from learning about weather processes to applying those to your student's life. So this is really going to range for your whole span of types of learners that could be in your classroom, from your lower level learners who might not read or write, to your higher level learners that can be involved in those higher cognitive skills. So I'm going to briefly go through the different activities. There is a table of contents for all activities, so you will be able to navigate this a little better since this is a massive packet. This is a great visual to use in your calendar time to associate if we're going outside or not today. This is something that can be a really challenging change for kids with autism, so this one is a great must-have. Here's a visual for looking up the temperature. There's visual instructions, and then there's also numbers. If the student is a non-writer, they can match the numbers to the temperature. Another class-wide visual for putting what I should wear today. You can put all of the pieces here and then pull up the pieces based on what weather you should wear associated to the temperature. This is a weather forecast page, so here are the small matching pieces. You'll place these right here, so it's kind of like a little mini multiple choice, and each day the student will pull up the picture for the temperature, the weather, and the season. And there are picture options and word options for a variety of types of learners. And then here's a little bit of an easier set. So this is the temperature is and the weather is with some big pieces. So again, I'm really trying to make sure that the span of all types of learners is included in this packet. Here's sorting rainy and sunny days. And then the highest level is kind of this writing practice page. So this could either be laminated and use a dry erase marker or use with writing. So next are the weather skill building activities. So again, there's a ton in here. First off, there's 13 different flashcards for different weather related vocabulary with the definition. So this is great to work on just the vocabulary for your kids with emerging skills, but then with your higher kids to really work on what these words mean. Next is a great adapted book that my kids love. So it's similar to my What's Bugging You with that repetitive language and having each word in one box, which I really love because those kids with emerging vocal skills just really can follow along and really feel like they're reading and really engaged in a literacy activity. So each page follows this familiar pattern. Oh wow, what's that weather? And then I know it's, and then here are the matching pieces that you'll laminate. So it's for all the different weather vocabulary to match the picture. So this is a really fun one and my kids really enjoy it. Next, there are 10 different matching pages, matching picture to picture and picture to vocabulary term. Then there are 10 different writing skills. So these are writing tasks for your higher level learners that are really kind of incorporating those higher level inference and cognitive skills. So why is a tornado dangerous? How can you stay safe? How should you dress if a snowstorm is coming? So really taking these weather concepts to the next level. Next are 6 different following direction color coding worksheets. And then our 10 different weather forecast comprehension worksheets. These are my favorite. I'm really excited to use these. So there's a little forecast, and then there are questions based on what the forecast is that day. And then there's some ones that are a little bit different throughout one day or throughout a week. So really working on making sure our kids are understanding what the weather forecast entails. Next up is weather bingo. So like all my bingos, there's 2 levels of play. There's the easy level with just the vocabulary words and the harder level with the definition. It's great for problem solving and building receptive language. And then there are 15 different vocabulary bingo boards. And last, my all-time favorite is I Have Who Has. I need this for every unit I do because I really just love it. This works on building social skills, turn-taking, attention building, while accessing that specific skill you're working on. So here are the weather terms. So these you can laminate, and there's also, of course, a label for the baggie. So as you can see, there's a ton in here that will accommodate all types of learners. This was a product preview of my Weather Mega Pack by theautismhelper.com.